Good evening, traders, and Assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trader and UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm gonna do the forecasting of AUD pairs. Before I start, guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. Guys, last Friday, all JPP pairs were strong. Like all JPP pair falls because of Trump's speech about 6:45 p.m. on UK time. So that's the reason this week all JPY pairs are down. But what I'm expecting from AUD pairs coming week, because today I'm gonna do the forecasting of all AUD pairs. We have two Q data coming for upcoming week. In AUD we have 5:30 a.m. on Tuesday. We have cash rate and RBA rate statement, and we have RBA government lower speech and RBA monetary policy statement on Friday. What I was expecting this week from AUD pair, they will go up, but we have to see, like, as most of you guys know who's doing trading, last week all JPY pairs were down, and what I'm expecting from all JPY pairs, they will go up a lot, about 300 to 500 pips. But we have to see the reaction of the market when market will open, how market gonna react. So let's start our forecasting, our weekly outlook, or our weekly technical analysis, what's gonna happen with AUD pairs. So let's start with AUDJPY. That's AUDJPY H4 chart. As you can see, guys, it's already near to my H4. It's already it's already down, or it's already crossed my daily support. So I was expecting it's gonna stable on my H4 support. As you can see, when the market closed, the trend was down, but trend was weak as well. So what I was expecting from AUDJPY, maybe it will go a little bit more down, and then I'm expecting this pair to go up. Guys, this is not a signal, that's a forecast. So if you need a signal, you have to join my Telegram channel. There is a link in the description, so you can, guys, you can join my Telegram channel. Let's move on to our another pair, AUDUSD. As you can see, guys, last week AUD react a lot. That's the daily chart. That's the daily chart of AUD USD. Let's move to H4. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, last week what happened with AUD is broke my daily support, is and it's touched my H4 support, and when it will go up. So what I'm expecting, like, as you can see, if we go for what I'm expecting, this move, that moment is already done. So it will go up little bit more, then down, and then it will be up. With this pattern, it will complete our pattern, complete the cycle, trade pattern cycle. So what I was expecting from AUD upcoming week, AUD pairs will go up. From AUD USD right now, it will go down a bit, at least this level. As you can see, when it's closed, the trend was down, but trend is gonna be weak as well. So what I am expecting, AUD USD will come down a little bit this level, and then it will go up. Guys, again, that's not a signal, that's the forecast. So if you need a signal, you have to join my Telegram channel. Let's move to AUDJPY. Let's move on to our next pair, to AUDJPY. As you can see, guys, it's already touched one of my support level, and when the market was closed, the trend was down. So what I was expecting, I just waiting for this moment. Maybe it will go a little bit down more, and then I'm expecting AUDJPY to go up a lot, because it's near to my all of support level. So now is the best time to buy. But guys, this is not a signal, that's my forecast, that's my point of view, that's my analysis about this pair. So guys, if you need signals, you have to join my Telegram channel, so you will get signals over there. So let's move on to AUD New Zealand. As you can see, some of you guys know, there's a lot of news coming in next week New Zealand, because the coming Tuesday we have excuse me, next, on Monday night we have employment change and unemployment rates, and on Wednesday we have official cash rate and RBNZ rate statement. So we are expecting huge volatility in the market, but as of my technical analysis, I'm expecting AUD For now, when market open, I'm expecting AUDNZD little bit come down at least this level, and then I'm gonna expect it will be go up. So let's see when the market open. We need to wait for this confirmation. If it will go there, so then it will be down from that level. If we will get this kind of confirmation, and then it will go up. Right. So let's move to our next, last but not the least, AUD CAD pair. AUD CAD is also touch it's already near to my H4 and daily support level, so I'm just waiting to open the market and wait for the confirmation, and then I'm gonna buy this. But guys, this is not, that's my point of view, that's not a signal. If you need signal, you have to join my Telegram channel. I'm expecting AUD CAD to go up. So guys, that's it from the AUD pairs. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will be updated for my upcoming video. Stay connected with my channel so you will be get more videos. Thank you very much. Cheers. Allah Hafiz. Bye.